After going door to door in my local area, I managed to bag this VW camper in for a mini detail today. If you booked in for my basic package, but I want to take it one stage further because I feel like impressing new customers can always give you an opportunity to upsell more products down the line. So one of the areas I wanted to focus on that had a lot of damage was around these window rubbers. So in this video I'm going to go through all my techniques and processes that I'm going to use to get these window rubbers back to a really nice standard to give this client a really good result. So the first tool in my arsenal to get rid of all this dirt is the Depray steamer. One of the main attributes of using a steamer is the fact that the high pressure steam allows the dirt to be loosened away from the surface area. And when you couple that high pressure with heat, the dirt doesn't stand a chance. Now in this case the rubbers were a lot more stubborn than I thought, so allowing myself to use a little bit of all-purpose cleaner from Glim, coupled with a stiff toothbrush getting into these little intricate areas, as you can see, was giving me a lot of success. Sadly, due to the design of the VW camper, these windows are on a sliding mechanism, which means that these areas are more prone to nitrogen building up inside. Now, using absolute no rinse in an IK sprayer, I like to remove all the leftover chemicals around the body. If this isn't removed, this will create a staining on these panels, so it's important that you remove this as soon as possible. So now moving on to the next process, which is using a water spot remover from Garage Therapy. I'm going to be coupling this with a bit of steam, and I'm going to be activating this to try and remove these embedded water particles that are baked onto this glass. For me personally, it's just that little bit of difference that goes that extra mile for the customer that makes good glass into perfect glass. And there you have it, factory looking rubbers with stain-free glass. Some of these smaller details that can make all the difference to improving the overall look of the whole vehicle. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow us for more.